Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do alternating row colors in the Google Sheets mobile. So first, open your file on the Google Sheets mobile. Then just select the columns or the rows that you want to do alternating row colors. So just block it like this, for example, and after that click on A at the top, and in here scroll down and you'll find the just click on the format cell in here, scroll down, and here click on the alternating colors. Okay, so you can just select the formatting style. For example, I'm going to go with this color, and after that just close it, and just like that, now the rows is color alternately like this. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.